Hi everyone, today I will be trying a new format. This short video essay is somewhat of an intro to the topics I will be dealing with in my next few videos. The theme being urban mining. Urban mining is the process of recycling raw materials, metals, polymers, glass and construction materials from waste that would otherwise end up in landfills. In my series of videos I will focus mainly on precious metals. Due to the high prices, natural scarcity and rising demand. The entire world is connected by a vast network of production chains that begin with the extraction of raw materials, continue with processing of those materials into products, their use, and end up with disposal or recycling of the products after the end of their useful life. Disruptions in the supply of one raw material can have significant consequences several steps down the line, because today's society relies on many different electronic devices that we use for everything from leisure activities to something as important as medical equipment, the international banking system, and the storage of critical information. All those devices are made up of components that require rare and expensive materials such as silver, gold, platinum, and palladium. A significant amount of precious metals are used in automobiles regardless of their mode of propulsion. Electric vehicles and hydrogen-powered vehicles require at least twice as much of those expensive and rare materials. The vast majority of these products are never recycled. Those products have a higher concentration of rare metals than the ore from which they were originally extracted, yet they are often discarded without a second thought. This is a waste of raw materials and energy that must stop if we want to reduce our impact on our planet. For example, the concentration of gold in specific components often reach values greater than 1 gram per kilogram of waste. Among the precious metals that can be found in electronic waste are gold, which is found as a thin layer on contact surfaces and in the form of thin wire in integrated circuits, transistors, and LED diodes. Gold is used for those applications due to its exceptional corrosion resistance and good electrical conductivity. Silver, the metal with best electrical and thermal conductivity, is used in the majority of electrical switches, keyboards, potentiometers, crystal oscillators, and in various types of capacitors. Silver in paste form is often used to make printed circuits. Notably, solar cells require approximately 10 grams of silver per square meter. Platinum is present in hard drives, LCD screens. Platinum is also used in catalysts, catalytic converters, resistance thermometers, electrodes, and specialized laboratory equipment. Palladium is found in some types of capacitors and printed circuits. The most well-known are multi-layered ceramic chip capacitors, MLCC, which can contain up to 2% or more palladium by weight. Small amounts of palladium are often added to silver to improve its hardness, prevent oxidation, and increase its melting point. Rhodium is used in catalytic converters and catalysts in chemical industry. In small quantities, it is also used in signal relays and electrical switches, or at least it used to be. Urban mining is a step toward a circular economy because recycling electronic waste can be more efficient and profitable than traditional mining and prevents the pollution of nature with heavy metals. Urban mining can help mitigate supply restrictions and produce fewer hazardous wastes, consume less energy, and is generally more efficient than extracting the same amount of desired raw materials from ore. I hope that with this brief introduction, I have succeeded in explaining the basics of urban mining in an understandable and interesting way. Of course, this topic is much more extensive. Rest assured I will provide more details in my upcoming videos. Thank you for your time. Like, subscribe, and check my other videos. You might find something you will like.